Hello, I'm so excited for this video because in this video I'm going to talk about flows, and which is one of the most crucial thing in Salesforce. So let me tell you about our scenario, and our use case is basically whenever a record on the customer object is created, an account and the contact gets created automatically on the using customer object details. Okay, and I already created my customer custom object, and in which we have these fields like customer name, account field, company, phone number, email, job, and customer status. To save time, let me show you exactly. This is the my customer object, and if I click on the new, you can see here we have to fill this information, and by using this information automatically account and the associated contact gets created. Okay, so let's do it. First of all, let's open flows. Okay, so here I am, and it's already open. Okay, so click on the new flow. Okay, and here we have. Okay, so we are going to create a record trigger flow. Okay, here I clicked on the record trigger flow. After that, we have to select the object. So here we have the object my customer. Okay, so because all the action we have to perform on the my customer object. So yeah, in that I'm like configure trigger when this start. So when a record is created, whenever a new record is created, we have to trigger this flow. Okay, and here I'm selecting entry criteria. You can select here like if we have one more field here, you can see that customer status. Okay, we can select that if it's silver. So this is basically the condition, but here for ease I'm not selecting any criteria. We like whenever a record is created, we will trigger that. Okay, and done. Okay, I love free flow, so free form, so I'm just selecting the free form here, and first thing we will create the record. Okay, so first we going to create account, so I'm writing here create account. Okay, okay, and for the ease, like for the shorter duration, I'm skipping the description part. Okay, here we have to select the account object. Okay, and after that what we have to do is in account object we have to mention the name. Like whenever we create any new account, the account name is essential. So here we are linking the account name. Okay, so where it is, account. Okay, so account name would be like the company name. Here we are using the company name. Let me show you. Okay, so the company name would be the account name. Okay, so here I'm selecting the record, $record, and that would be company name. Okay, and to link up, I need a account ID. Because here, so what we're going to do, manually assign variable and create, like we're going to store the account ID because we have to connect the contact. So here I'm creating a new variable where account ID. Okay, select the data type, it's text. Okay, and done, and it's completed. Okay, now I have to create account. Sorry, account is already created. Now we have to create contact. So here create contact. Okay, same one, multiple, use separate variable, and here we have to select the contact. Okay, and first thing first, we have to assign the account ID. Okay, and where it is, it's in our variable. Where account ID. Okay, And now we are going to connect all the other fields, which is here. Okay, so where it is, okay, company name. We have phone number. Okay, so here we're going to select the mobile number, and here we have dollar record. In record variable record we have phone. Okay, and this is how we're going to connect all the values, map all the values. Email, similarly, what else we have, job title, the name. In the under contact, if you open the contact, you will find that the last name is mandatory, so we have to assign the last name. So here we will select the last name and dollar record name, customer name. Okay, I guess it's completed. Let me check. Phone number, job title, email. Okay, it's done, right? We assign, we map all the fields and done. And now we are using assignment operator to like, once we will create this account field should be populated automatically by using this. So that's why we are using create customer account. Okay, so here we have record, sorry, account. Okay, so and the value we will find is in where account ID. Okay, done. And after that we're going to update that. So create account and contact, update our customer. Okay, so done. Here we're going to select the record customer. Okay, and it's done. Now we're going to connect that account. Okay, so it's done. Now we're going to save this account and customer. Okay, and save this. Okay, and before debugging that, activate, let's enter some details. Okay, Shubham, Silver, company TCS, job title, sales VP. Okay, done. Now for the testing purpose, let's debug that first and see if it's working or not. So here it's Shubham Gupta, which account we created, customer just created. Okay, and it's working fine. I guess yes. Who? Okay, so it's rollback. Okay, now we can activate that. So activate this. Now here we are in a customer object. Let's create that. new, uh, let's type Robert, customer gold, company name, let's M, IBM, job title, CEO, email, robert@gmail.com, and the phone number is whatever. Okay, now if we want this, like, we can hide this field from this record capturing form, so nobody will see that, and we can show that in the page layout. Okay, so here I'm saving this. Let's see if it's working or not. Finger crossed. We can't save this because create account process failed. I guess there's some issue in save this because create customer and edit flow. You know, like, it's working fine. Let's check this out. What happened? It's already created or what? I mean, let's check it out. Let me check that and I'll get back to you. Okay, so I found out my mistake, what I did wrong. So basically I choose create record. Instead of that, I have to select the update record. And now let's move to the main customer object and create the account. Okay, so here we are. Let's type Robert. Okay, again, and it's silver. Company name, let's take any guesses? Okay, anything, I mean, Google. Okay, let's Google, and sales, job title, robert@gmail.com, phone number. Okay, and let's save it. Okay, done. Okay, so here you can see that it's created now, and let's check it out. Here you can see that account is automatically populated because we do the assignment over there. Let's open this account object. Here you can see that we have account Google. Let's go to related. Here you can see that account. Okay, let's open this account, Robert, and here we have these details: Robert, phone number, email address, and the title. Okay, and here in the customer we have these details. So this is the use case. By creating this customer object, we can create automatically account and contact by using flows. I hope like I better explain that right now. I can assure you that for sure, if I get selected, I have that hunger to create more and provide the best result to user. So that's all I want to say. I hope you enjoy that video, and thank you very much. Bye bye.